Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are bowling the mixed doubles, the PWBA Striking Against Breast Cancer Luci mixed doubles. I'm bowling with Madison today, and we got 7 games of qualifying for us to hopefully strike a lot. The scores are really low, so hopefully we can surpass the scoring pace.
Yeah.
In the bowling alley, so I'll just give you all the recaps from here game by game. Game 1, Madison shot 243, I shot 225, and we came out on a heater. Struck a lot. I think I had a good idea. Madison had a good idea starting with that reality, hooking it a little bit more rather than playing straight like she saw in practice. I think playing a little deeper today was definitely the move. And as for me, Purple Slammer, we're going to give him one last run because I guess this is the second to last tournament that ball is going to be legal. I want to let you guys know that we are giving away a pin at 120,000 subscribers, and it is signed by the top 8 bowlers in the world. We're giving it away when we reach 120,000 subscribers on YouTube, and we're really close. So don't forget, click that subscribe button, and let's get back into the video. Game 2, split for Madison, a couple spares for me, and she shot 200 on the nose. I shot 236. The Purple Hammer's still looking really good. That game I had to move in a little bit because they were hooking quite a bit, but looking really good with the scores as low as they are. Game 3, more of the same for Madison. She shot a really good 194. Switched from the reality to the fate. I shot 225 again. Another solid game. It seems like every time I switch to a new lane, it either hooks or it doesn't hook. And it's not like as I move to the left end of the house, it's hooking more or it's hooking less. It's just one pair hooks, the next pair doesn't, the next pair hooks again. So trying to manage that throughout these next couple games, and we'll see how it goes. Game 4, a tough one for Madison. I think it was a little bit my fault. I suggested some weaker bowling balls because she was dealing with a little early hook, when I think what she could have done was just move way left with that reality, but she had quite a few splits and a hard spare in there. 136 for her, but 245 for me to kind of balance that out. Still well within the cut. At plus 100 after 4 games, we're looking good. Madison got him with that huge bounce back, 217. She moved in with the reality, back to what she was doing, but just moving deeper, kept her angle a little closer to the pocket. I shot 227, which brings us all the way to plus 149, and I think we're pretty close to the leaders of our squad right now through 5 games. Game 6 is all done now. 212 for Madison, 206 for me, Purple Hammer for me, Reality for Madison, and I think she's gonna stick with this last game, and let's see what happens. Game 7, we went dead even. 193 for Madison, 207 for me. A really solid game and a really solid block overall for both of us. Madison just had the one game where I tricked her with a bad ball suggestion, and then we went down the rabbit hole of changing balls a couple too many times to too many of the wrong bowling balls before switching back to what we started with. Overall, we're at 167 over, which puts us in 12th overall. We're gonna try and chase down the top 8 tomorrow.